Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, the Cosori. This is the Cosori air fryer, toaster, roaster, oven. This thing does everything. I haven't cooked on it for a while, at least with you folks. There's even a rotisserie in there, and which I have yet to use. But today we're doing something special. So I got a hold of some bluegills, folks. So we are going to bread up these bluegills nice and simple. We use some of the Drake's crispy fry mix, and then we're going to cook it using the air fryer setting over on the Cosori. So let's get them breaded up. And while we're doing that, we'll preheat. All right, so while everything's getting all heated up there on the Cosori, I've got our basket out. This is the air fryer basket that comes with it. I like to turn it upside down. Did spray a little canola oil on there. Just don't want anything to stick. And folks, I'm just using water. There's no egg wash. There's no milk. There's no nothing. Just get it wet and then put it in our Drake's crispy fry mix. I've never used this stuff on fish. I've used it on chicken. It's pretty nice. But we're just going to get a coating on there, and then I'm going to put it skin side up. So skin side up, and like I said, super simple to do. Just I'm using just water. Water is my binder. Water is a good binder. So it makes it even healthier. Now I will probably spray just a little bit of oil on the surface of the fish just to help it brown up a little bit. But other than that, I'll continue going on this and give you a look-see once we get her in the Cosori. All right, folks, there's the fish. Got it on. If you're wondering how many, that's like 13 pieces of fish that I got in there. So that's pretty impressive. 400 degrees is what I got it set at. And honestly, we're just going to cook them until they brown up. Fish will be done at that time. I'll give you a couple more look-sees. Stay tuned. All right, you can see we got some drippage. The nice thing about the Cosori is it has a drip tray underneath there, underneath that bottom heating element right where my fingers is. And that's got like a non-stick coating on it. You can, once it cools, you can pull that whole thing off. Wash it. You can even, I would imagine, put it in the dishwasher. But you can see she's starting to brown up pretty nice. Give you a couple more look-sees. All right, folks, so this is after about 7 minutes. And if you look closely, you can see how she is frying on there. Working pretty nice. Skin side up, there's fat in the skin. So, and then we did spray a little coating of canola on the surface too. So that's going to help brown everything up. So keep on watching. I just wanted to show you. I think it's pretty cool. All right, folks, 2 minutes later, and it's ready to pull these off. So far, total is about 11 minutes. And we'll take them off, give you a look-see. All right, folks, there it is. So this is the other side, not the skin side. I don't know if I did this over again. I think I would put the skin side down. The skin side got done, but this side stuck a little bit. But I tell you what, it's looks good. I've already had one. That worked pretty good. Remember, that's just water. Water and some of this Drake's. This stuff is out of Michigan. Been around. Well, they say from 1937. I don't know. I found it at my local grocery store. But this is a good meal right here, folks. Can you do bluegills on an air fryer? Yes, you can. Pan frying would be faster, but this is healthier. Folks, hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the buttons and all that other stuff. And as always, I can't say it enough. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.